Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable disable floating keyboard in your Android device. So let's begin our video. So here you can see here is my keyboard, but it's not floating. So right now I'm gonna enable floating keyboard. So all I have to do, you just need to click on the left corner. Here you can see there have an icon. So you just need to tap on this icon. So right now you can find the option floating. You can see floating. So you just need to tap on this floating option. So right now here you can see my keyboard is floating. You can move one place to another place. Here you can see you can resize it. Here you can see you can resize it. Also you can move from top to bottom any place. So here is the option for enable floating keyboard, and right now if you just want to disable this floating keyboard, again press the same icon here, just tap it and tap again floating option. Right now floating option already disabled. So in this way you can enable disable floating keyboard in your Android device. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.